Hello and welcome to my channel on the Hook Crochet, where we talk about wearable crochet style. And this is a special project that I'm working on. This is an Annie's collaboration where I'm working on their Cozy Cottage Sampler Afghan. Beautiful, beautiful Afghan with the perfect colors for me. These are neutral colors all through here, grays and beiges, so gorgeous. And I am working on stripes 4 to 6 in this particular episode. I want to show you what I've been working on. Now, I will show you the unboxing, and let me go to that right now because somebody had asked me if I would show that. So I'll show exactly what comes in the kit, and when you pull out the kit, what's in there. So let's take a look at that. So I'm going to open this up and show you exactly what comes in each kit. Now, each kit is a tiny bit different because it'll have different instructions, and it'll also have different yarn. So let's take a look at what's in this bag. This is the bag that you get when it comes to you, and it was just in my mailbox. So you can stick it right in there. You don't have to deliver it like a package. So that's really nice. It just comes right in your mailbox. And there's some paperwork in here, and also the a picture of the directions that you're going to get. There's going to be 3 rows that we're doing this month. Last month we did these 3 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. The gray one was the 3rd one. So this will show us exactly what we're going to do this month. And of course you get the pattern, which is, it comes in a nice leaflet like this. It shows you the whole Afghan on the front. And then when you look in it, let's see what's inside. There's an up-close picture of the stripes that we're going to be working on this time. And there they are again, stripes 4, 5, and 6. And that's what they're going to look like. So this is what comes in your kit. Along with that is a bag of yarn. And here are the new colors. I don't think we've had all these colors just yet. But there are 3 more colors of yarn, and each of these is bigger than the ones that I received in the other Annie's Afghan that I was working on. I was working on Moroccan tiles, and this is it right here on my chair. I laid it over my chair. I just really like it. Those skeins were smaller because there were more colors involved, and these are much larger. This looks like maybe even 153 yards, and yes, it's about 100 grams on each one of these. So you receive larger skeins, but it's going to be the same size Afghan as the Moroccan tiles. There just won't be quite as many colors to deal with. So this is what you get in your bag, and that is the pattern and the yarn. After I begin working on this Afghan, I will cut back in and we'll show you what it looks like when we get through with the stripes. Okay, so let's talk about what we're doing this particular kit. We are making stripes 4, 5, and 6, and those are stripes that have specialty stitches. Very nice, and the video is very easy to watch. You can watch the video and know how to make the stitches, so it's not difficult at all to do. Now, this is an easy Afghan to make. This is not difficult. Moroccan tiles is on a little bit higher level, but if you're an advanced or an adventurous beginner, you can do that. That was my last project, and that playlist is on my YouTube channel as well. But this is a new Afghan that I'm working on, striped Afghan, and I want to show you what we're working on, stripes 4, 5, and 6. So stripe 4 is a star stitch, and this is the actual Afghan that I'm working on. I'm so proud of it. It's so beautiful. And on stripe 4, we are working on the star stitch, and that's right there, these 2 rows right here of star stitch. Oh, they're so gorgeous, and in that beautiful honey milk color from Premier. The yarn that we're using is a super nice yarn. This is the honey milk in the anti-pilling Premier worsted size. Let me wrap that up there. And this is 100% anti-pilling acrylic. And if you have never worked with Premier anti-pilling acrylic, you should try it. It's beautiful, beautiful. And that's what Annie's puts in their kits. That's what I use for the Moroccan tiles. Right there, that's the Moroccan tiles Afghan. Folded up right now because I don't quite need it yet. I will pretty soon though, because it's getting cool. But I made that with this same yarn, beautiful yarn that comes in your kit When you sign up to make an Afghan, they send you a kit every month or every 2 weeks, whatever you decide. I'm on every month because every 2 weeks would be a little bit too quick for me, but you can do it whichever way you want. And I'll put a link down in the description box so you can check it out if you want to. Now, if you decide that you want to make one of these, you can crochet along with me and we can kind of keep up with each other, or you can just do it every 2 weeks and get way ahead of me. I don't know, but I'm doing this once a month, and every month I put out a video to show what I've done in that particular kit. Now this, the next stripe is the bobble stripe. The number 5 stripe is the bobble stitches, and there's several rows here, and then on the middle row you use the bobble stitch, and the designer shows you exactly how to do that. It's not difficult. You can actually follow the directions in the written instructions, and you can do it if you are used to reading crochet patterns. You could do that without any help from the video, and they go in just perfectly. The number of stitches stays the same. It's quite easy to do. Now, I've enjoyed doing these 3 stripes. They're a little different than the first 3. The first 3 were just kind of getting started, getting your engine running, and then the next 3 we're starting some different stitches here. Now this is the last stripe that I did, and this stripe is a lace stripe, and it's not difficult, but it's so beautiful when you have it finished. Look how pretty that is. Turned out very nice. No problem with the sides of the Afghan. They're all nice and straight. There's nothing that's going to be a problem at all in this Afghan. So beautiful. Look at that, how pretty that's going to be. And there'll be an edging all around the outside, so that will even everything up. If you have a row that looks a little bit long, or things don't look quite even, then you'll find that the row around the edge, or the rows around the edge, will make that perfect. So there we go. That's what it looks like. A beautiful, beautiful Afghan that we're getting started on. This is six stripes that I've done, and more rows than that. There are several rows in each stripe, but each stripe is the same yarn that we're using. So let me show you those real quick. Weathered gray, biscotti, and honey milk. Beautiful colors. Look at that. Oh, they're so gorgeous together, and they're going to make a beautiful Afghan. So I invite you to try it if you want to. If you're a beginner, or you're just an advanced person and want something easy to do, you can sign up for the Cozy Cottage Afghan sampler. And you know what? It comes in all different colors. There are several colors that this comes in, so one of them would probably suit your decor, and this is going to be perfect in my decor. I have red in my decor. This is a lot of the colors I have in my living room decor, and this is going to look really nice. I have a couple of brown chairs in there, and so this will be pretty on one of those brown chairs. So I hope you have a great week, have a great month. So join me then to find out what's on the hook.